Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. Today I'll show you how to download apps in your Android phone. So at first open up your Google Play Store. Now if you want to download Instagram, then just tap on the search icon and then search for Instagram. Then tap on Instagram. Then tap on Instagram again. Then tap on install and give it a moment to install Instagram. And the download is complete. Now just go to your app screen. And here you can find Instagram. Now just open the Instagram and you can see Instagram is ready for use. You can log in or sign up your Instagram account. Now if I go to Play Store again, now if you want to download any game, then just tap on the search icon. If I search for Temple Run, then tap on Temple Run, then tap on install and the download is complete. Now just open Temple Run and it's ready for use. And that is how you can download apps in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.